this is what you start with. This right here is the Japanese tape. That's the paper tape, and that's the cloth tape. So this is what we start with when we're ready to tape boxer ears. When you're ready.
It's on.
Okay, first you cut tape about six or so inches. I get it ready before I tape their ears, because it's not sticking. So about 3 pieces of the cloth tape. This is the Japanese tape, which I haven't started roll here. You take alcohol, sterile swipes to clean the ears to get it ready to get all the oils off the ears. Clean the inside of the ear, front and back. Just wiping down the loose dirt on both sides. That removes all the oils. And let them dry. So that's the cloth tape and the paper tape. Do the same thing. You want about 3 pieces, about 6 inches or so. You'll figure out the length that you need for your dog's ears. And then a bunch of 4-inch pieces. And then a little bit smaller towards the top of the ear. And you start, always tape inside,
With the paper tape.
slight angle,
Paper tape.
the paper tape, slight angle, holding the ear tight. You wrap it around and then fold it in. And pat it nice and tight so it sticks in. Then go up just a little bit higher, around and in. If it's too long like that, just take your scissors and trim it down. And then if it hits the little nub in their ear, just pull it back, which you probably will do that, and trim it. Make sure not to cut the dog's ear. By pushing it in, makes it stick to the ear. And then you work your way up the ear, holding it tight, and around. And keep going all the way up with the paper tape. All the way up to the tip, around the back, comes this way, and then around. So once the ear's all paper tape, I'm going to put one more down here. Depending on the angle that you start, you'll see how it will come around. This is a little bit long, so it's in there. And I'll cut it. And that's what it'll look like with just paper tape. Then you take the Japanese tape and you cut it about the length of the outside and inside. You want to tape on the edges. Got 2 pieces. Hold the ear tight. Just overlap it 1/4 inch and then fold it over. That acts as nice and rigid, almost like a post. And then you do the other side. And then flip it over. And that acts as a nice rigid post. Then you start with the cloth tape. The cloth tape goes on the base. I made these too long, so I'm gonna have to cut that. That keeps your bell nice and strong. And then you go up just a little bit more. So that's nice and tight now. So that adds support to the bell. And here's the tip that always curls. So now, a slight angle up,
What tape?
the paper tape, and then you fold the ear like a taco, so it looks like that. Then you take the other paper tape, always inside, tape inside towards the head, and work your way up. Working your way up.
Hold it, please. Hey, Chommy Chom.
Then you take the paper tape. I do one paper tape. You tuck it in here, wrap it around, and then you fold it into the pocket to make like a little cup. That's the paper tape. Then you take a strip of the cloth tape, and you do that again with the cloth tape. You fold it in and around and back into that bell. I'm gonna have to cut that because it's a little bit long. And that creates a cup. So it's nice and sturdy and strong. And you do not have to tape all the way up that far. You can leave like a 1/4 of an inch showing.
Are you all done?
So that's how you do it. Now I'll just do the other side, but not on the video.